On Odili, I was in government at the tail end of his administration. I was essay to His Excellency the Deputy Governor. Odili had a program called Massive Food Production. Massive food production. And it was extended to the 23 local government areas without idiosyncrasies, without biases. Our concern, the Deputy Governor, it was an interministerial committee. The Deputy Governor, as Deputy Governor, was made the chairman of the massive food production. So the meetings of massive food production, meetings were held at the Deputy Governor's office. And as SA to His Excellency Deputy Governor, he personally assigned me to be taking records. So I can't say I was secretary because I was not appointed, but the Deputy Governor gave me the opportunity to be taking records of proceedings in that event, in that meeting. And how did we get the farmers? We got them from LGAs. And we said there were benchmarks and landmarks. We said if you have up a land up to 10 plots, or at least an acre or hectare now of land, and that you are farming, so that they can go and farm, you can ask. Under the list government, that happened. We gave money too. Say, please, you need money to clear, you need money to buy implements and all that, we give. And I tell you that if there's anything I recall vividly that was achieved under the government of Dr. Peter Obi, was a massive food production.